Hello everyone, welcome to my another product review videos. And by the way, before now, today is January 30 and we're closer to the new year, and then happy new year everyone. I wish everyone have a good new year, and I wish this 2026 be the good year for all, year with success. Okay, this is as you can see, hyper tough. This Walmart brand extension cord power strip with the 6 outlet, 8 feet cord, 6 grounded outlet, reset up switch with the built-in circuit breaker. This is good. That means if you connect something that more than its rated tolerance, the amp, this circuit automatically cut the current switch off for avoid damage or fire like this, which is good. This, let me make it closer for you. And here there's some information. As you can see, 120 volt and 15 amp. 15 amp will be about I think 1800 watt. The you can get from this. That you shouldn't be connect the devices that total more than this rated numbers. That means 1800. And made in Vietnam. Now looks like everything is switching to the made in Vietnam. Alright, let's open this. It's already open. I just want to the quality is good, relatively is good quality, good plastic, very hard. Yeah, it looks like heavy duty, not like the some that want to broke. And this is the switch, off on. And I don't know, looks like this doesn't have the light. I wish I have the light, because it's just plastic. Yeah, and this is this 2 holes here for just putting if you want to mount somewhere in the wall. And this is the cable. So looks like it's good, heavy duty cable. And yeah, you need to be in mind that this is a straight neck, doesn't have the like the some has a 90-degree turning. That means you cannot, it's difficult to put the you need some space between this wall plug and something over there between them, like the furniture or something like this. You need enough space. And this states that 8 feet long. 8 feet long will be almost 1.5 meters, I think. 1.5 meters, yeah. Not bad, yeah, good. There's a 6 outlet. All of them is grounded. That is good. That is good. Because some of them doesn't have the ground, and that is a problem. That means you can put the plug that doesn't have the ground, but when you want to put like this one, if it doesn't have this hole, that is problem, which is good now. Yes. Okay, thank you for watching.